Hello guys, today I'm very excited for showing you this incredible product that I asked for. It's a heated eyelashes curler. I'm going to be opening with you and I'm going to be telling that I always want to have one of these ones, and I'm going to be trying this one with you because I want to show you like the effect it has. Okay, when we open it, we can see here in the back it has like the charger, and then you can see this one that is for your lashes. Okay, then we have this product, and then we have this one. Okay, then we have here the product. Okay, it's like this, and I'm going to be putting like here in the bottom of my eyelashes, and I'm going to be also using this one. Okay, oh, first I want to show you how my lashes they look. They are like down, so I'm going to be putting it here in the bottom part. Wow, it feels like weird because it's hot, but well, it feels good. Okay, I'm going to leave it there for it says like 3 to 5 seconds. 2 3, okay, and then it says to repeat the process a few times until satisfied. Okay, so I'm going to be repeating this process because I want like a really big effect. Also, I think that this product, it will functions very well if you just apply it without mascara. So if you want, like at the final, I can do that to show you how it works, this product. Okay, they are like already getting like the effect. Like you can see, look this part and look that part, that they are like down my eyelashes. So I'm going to continue doing this. Okay guys, beside the times you see that I put the product on, I do it like another 4 times, and I want to show you how beautiful they leave the eyelashes. And look, there's one that it's like down, and well, it says the fourth step, finish with the final coat of mascara and use a comb to separate lashes. So I want to leave like my lashes like this with that mascara, and I'm going to be using this one to separate it and to show you how beautiful they get. Okay, there they are. Whoa, it's super incredible, this product. Look first how it looks like this. My lashes in this side, they are like down, and look, these ones, they are up, and then this is how they look. They look super 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 big and super curl, and these ones, they are like down. So I hope you like a lot the product. Remember to use this product, and also you can use this one, or I think this one you can use it like to clean the product, because maybe it will get there like some of mascara. So I hope you like the product and tell me what you think about it.